Hello guys, welcome to Maths Heaters. Today we will take one of the Maths Olympiad question. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get notification. Here we have a nice radical question. It is under root of root 9 minus root 8. We know that root 9 is 3 and root 8 can be written as under root 4 into 2, which is equal to root over 3 minus 2 root 2. Consider 3 minus 2 root 2. Here we are going to express in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, which is equal to a minus b square. 3 can also be written as 2 plus 1. So equation will become 2 plus 1 minus 2 root 2. By rearranging the terms, we get 2 minus 2 root 2 plus 1. Here a becomes root 2 and b becomes root over 1. It will become root over 2 minus root over 1 whole square. So under root 3 minus 2 root 2 can be written as under root 2 minus root 1 whole square. Here we can cancel square root and square. We get absolute value, which is modulus of root 2 minus root 1. Since root 2 value is 1.414, therefore under root 9 minus root 8 will become root 2 minus 1.